guys, Jeff here, Gravel Casual Bikepacking up on the Katy Trail today with Anthony. He's back there. He's got the new mongoose. We're riding 65 miles today. And I'll turn around and ride 65 back. I think he's going to continue on to St. Louis. Should be a good day. Hey guys, made it to Tibbetts here. About 12 miles from Jeff City. Bikes are holding up good. Next town is Mocaine. It's about 6.2 miles. See you there. At Mocaine here. It's about 6 miles. Pretty easy. I've really seen too many people today. Next stop is Portland. Good old Portland. About 9 miles. See you there. Made it to Portland here. Having some memory card issues today. Might be time for a new GoPro or some new memory cards. I'm not sure what footage I've got so far. But yeah, just getting ready to leave Portland here. Next stop will be McKittrick. guys, made it to Marthansville a little bit ago. Didn't stop at the trailhead. Went ahead and got the tent set up. The Nature Hike Cloud 1 man tent. Just getting ready to start cooking some dinner here. Anthony, he set up over there. He went to go find something for dinner. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna enjoy some brewskis and cook a little dinner here. Hey guys, the next morning here, packed up. I'm headed into Washington today. Got a motel there. Headed back tomorrow on the train. Hey guys, made it to Death Sow here. This is where I peel off to Katy here and go into Washington. Say bye to Anthony and the mongoose. He'll continue on the Katy Trail. Not sure where he's getting off at. About halfway across the bridge here going into Washington. Stopped here at the Missouri River crossing. Yo, sun's just shining this morning like that. It's pretty chilly getting going. We'll finish getting over the bridge here. Hey guys, Monday morning here, just getting ready to head over to the train station from the motel. I didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night. Crackheads next door up all night long. So, yeah, there's that. Alright, we'll see you at the train station. Made it to the train station here in Washington. Only a couple minutes from the motel. Got about an hour and I got about an hour till my train gets here. Out here by the tracks, caboose up there. Okay, guys. If you like this kind of comment, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.